Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the how to create a beautiful animated PowerPoint presentation slides with the help of simple tricks. Okay. So after creating the PPT looks like this. Okay. So let us see how it is different from the regular slides. If I press these buttons, it will come. Everyone knows about this one. But today, what I want to show, if I press, for example, this is the dashboard slide. If my audience asks me to go to the representation slide, then if I press 2 here, it will automatically go to the representation slide. And if after explaining this slide, if I want to go back to the dashboard slide, if I press this arrow, it will come to the dashboard slide. If anyone asks me to go to the fourth slide, that is example 2 slide, if I press here, automatically it will go to the example 2 slide. If I press this one after explaining, it will directly take me to the dashboard slide. So this is what we are going to explain. See, first take the first slide, take the arrow mark, select Control D. If you place Control D, automatically it will create the shape. Okay, Control D. If you press Control D again, it will give you a equal distance. See, then go to the text box, select one, draw one text box, write one, and give this one as a white font color. Give this one as white font color, and take this to the take on to the arrow mark. Okay, then select this one, Control V. After placing all the numbers like this, so just select this one, go to shape fill, go to shape fill, and take this color, and next take the shape fill, take this color, select third one. After adding the colors to the shapes, select this one and shift and select this one, Control G, so that it will group. So same thing, select this one and select the number, Control G, group, so that the shape and the number become one group. Control after placing the groups, so take the text box, write whatever you want to write here. After adding the corresponding numbers, just give the animations to these slides, these arrows, select them, go to the animation, select animations as custom animations, start on click. Okay. Then after adding this, direction from left, then select select these text, then go to animations, give a simple fade to first level paragraph, then come to animation pane, this is custom animation, then you can write here with the previous, then you expand these. First the definition will come, then this representation come to under 14, and this after representation here, the definition one is arrow 1, so corresponding definition, this is arrow 2, corresponding definition, representation. Next go to take third arrow to here, next fourth arrow here, this come here, so automatically it will arrange. Then just close this one, then if you look this one, it will come like this. So once you got this, after getting this one, you take this background color to the next level. Yeah, closing this one. The first slide, this is a definition slide. Select background color. Select background color as the first one is here. The first one is this one. So same, select that one. So get a little bit of transparency. The next one, duplicate this slide. The next slide is the presentation slide. Then select background color as next duplicate this slide. After adding all the slides, this is the first slide. I'm going to link all the slides. Click this one, right click, then click hyperlink, and then place in this document the definition slide. Yes, this is the definition slide. Click OK. Then select point 2, hyperlink, slide 9, that is representation slide. OK. Then go to the hyperlink, slide 10, that is example 1 slide. Click OK. Then select this one, hyperlink, slide 11, example OK. Then hyperlink, so select, yeah, final point slide. OK. So now all the slides are interlinked. That is, I will show you how they are interlinked. If I press 1 here, it will take me to the definition slide. If I press 3 here, it will go to the example 1 slide. For example, if I press 5, that is final point slide, it will go to final slide. So now create a arrow here which will take me to the dashboard slide. That is very simple. Select this arrow here, place here, shape, fill, white color, take to the corner, click here, right click hyperlink, place in the document. I am connecting this arrow to the dashboard slide. This is the dashboard slide. Okay, then I just simply copy this one and I will simply paste it on all the slides. Connect hyperlink. Just if I press here, this 2, it will go to the dashboard slide. If I press 3, it will go to example slide, and after pressing this one, it will come to the dashboard slide. So this is the simple animations. With these simple animations, you can create. That means if my audience asks me to go to see example 1 slide, that is the third slide. If I press here, example 1 slide will come. No need to waste any more time. The audience can be easily attracted. The slides also looks nice. Thank you very much.